Folks, Tim here with Above All Home Inspecting. Got a tip for you homeowners out there. This is a filter on the HVAC system. I'm going to show you on this system right here. See that dirt and dust is collected on here? This filter here is what you do not want in your home. This is a very dirty filter. As you can see right here, that's what it should look like. When it's new, this is what it looks like when it hasn't been changed properly. You need to take the time. I do my system every 3 weeks. I check the filter, and if it's dirty, I replace it. If not, you typically in Florida, you want to be changing your filter about once a month because of how often you're running the system. So there you go, folks. Another tip by Tim at Above All Home Inspecting.